Hello, welcome back to Learn Economia. In this video, what I'm planning to do is that I am going to inform you about the new batch of NET JRF economics classes. We know that usually the NET examination would be held in June, and this year also we can expect that to happen, but we cannot clearly predict that this would be happening in June itself because we are moving in an uncertain situation. We are facing a very much an uncertain situation, so we cannot predict anything with accuracy. Anyway, the next net exam would be happening, but the day, everything cannot be predicted with clarity. So, or the vague date itself is something which is beyond our control to predict with clarity. I don't know whether this would be happening in June or not, but usually this would be happening in June. That is what I can tell you right now. So anyway, we are planning to start the new NET JRF economics classes. The new batch would be started. I'm going to discuss in this video the details of the class. Okay. So before starting to give you the details of the class, let me tell you about my qualification. I must be able to convince you that I am an apt person to do with these classes. So if you are convinced with that, I can go on, or you can join my class. So this is very much important, right? So I am, to start with, I am a first rank holder. I have secured first rank in the University of Kerala in my batch in BA Economics. And moving on to MA Economics, there also I could secure first rank in the University of Kerala. I have qualified UGC NET examination thrice, and I have secured UGC, or I have UGC JRF. I have qualified for the same twice, both in economics. Then once I have qualified for UGC SRF, I have cleared Indian Economic Service written examination once. I'm a PhD holder in economics. I've taken my PhD from Jawaharlal Nehru University. Currently, I'm working as the head Department of Economics in one of the colleges which is affiliated to University of Kerala. So with that, we can see the details of the new batch of NET class. This would be started, this is the plan that we are running with, and this would be starting on June 22nd of 2020, January 22nd of June 2022. Registration has already been started, only limited seats are there. If you're interested, you can join. The medium of class would be in English. The fee structure is only 7,999 rupees. I will be concentrating on the paper 2, which would be entirely on economics. There would be 2 classes on a weekly basis. Weekly test and discussion would be there. I'll be giving you some recorded class as well. That means that if you miss any of the classes, you can get the recorded version of the same. There will be a doubt clearing session. We will also have some live interactive classes as well as discussion. Probably you'll be using Zoom or Google Meet for live classes and discussion. We'll be discussing previous year question papers. I'll be providing you with short note in PDF. So we will be continuing this class until your exam. We don't know when the exam would be. That is what we have started with this video, right? And I can assure you that there would be individual attention. So this is something I can assure you, individual attention would be there. So you can pick your weak area and you can revise question papers, you can work out papers, etc. based in that particular area, so that uh, you can be very much thorough with the weak area as well. To join the class and for more details, please contact me via Telegram or Gmail. If you're interested to join the class, kindly fill the Google form which would be given in the description box. That's all for today. Thank you.